Rubix Talent Kids.
Hi friends, my name is Nidhish. Today I will be explaining you the topic factorization. This topic will be helpful for you in 8th grade and as well as in your IIT career. So guys, now let's learn about factorization. Before learning about this topic, let's learn about what is a factor. So for example, let's take a number 20. If we ask you what are the factors of 20, you say that 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are the factors of 20. So what is a factor exactly? So factor is a number which exactly divides the given number leaving no remainder. So those kind of numbers are called factors. Now let's take one more number. Now let's take 40. It can be represented as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Here all these numbers are prime numbers. So this type of factorization is called prime factorization. So here you are doing nothing but factorizing this. So you are splitting it up. But here you will split this up into a product of prime factors. So when you multiply all of these, you get 40. Now we are going to learn how to split up algebraic expressions. So let's take this equation 2x square y cube. We are going to split it up. So it can be written as 2 into x into x into y into y into y. We write it as now 2x square y cubes. Factors are 2 comma x comma x comma y comma y comma y. So 2x square y cubes factors are 2x x y y and y. Now let's take another one. So x to the power of 4, y to the power of 2 and z to the power of 3. So these factors are x comma x comma x comma x and y, then z comma z. So these are the factors of x power 4, y square and z cube. So friends, there are three methods of factorizing algebraic expressions. So we'll learn about them one by one. The first method is method of common factors. So this is the first method. The second method is the method of regrouping. The third method is using algebraic identities. Now we will learn about these methods one by one. So friends, now let's learn about the method of common factors. So before you learned how to factorize some equations like 5x square y and like 7xyz. So you before learned how to factorize these kind of equations. Now let's learn how to factorize different equations. Now let's take a equation like 5x square plus 20xy. So this is the equation. Now let's learn how to factorize this equation. The common part in these two different terms. So in the first term and the second term we have 5 as common. So we take that out and x as common. So here we have x remaining and here we have 4y remaining. So then we keep a bracket and write x plus 4y. So this is the method of common factors. Here when you multiply these two, we get this equation 5x square plus 20xy. So we have simplified this equation. Now let's do one more example. Let's take 40x cube y cube and z square plus 30x y and z cube. So this is the equation. Now we will simplify it. So in the numerical, so we have 10 in common in both. So 10 x and x. So x, y and y, so y, z square and z square, so z square. Now we keep the bracket. Here we would have 4 remaining and x square and y square plus 3z. So this is the simplified version of this one. So hence we have solved this. Now let's go on to the next method. So guys, now let's learn about the method of regrouping. Let's take a equation 5x plus 7y plus 20xy plus 28y square. Like before, we cannot use the method of common factors because all of these have nothing in common. So we have to regroup these terms. Now let's see how to do it. So first, let's rearrange the terms with the common factors. So here 5x and 20xy have 5x as common, so we will write them 5x plus 20xy, and so these two have some common factors, so we will write them too. Now we do the method of common factors for these two terms and these two terms. So here we will get 5x into 1 plus 4y, and here we would get 7y into 1 plus 4y. Now we will do the method of common factors for these full one. So we will take this part as common. We will take this part as common on both sides. So we will write 1 plus 4y into 5x plus 7. So when you multiply these two, we will get the answer as 5x plus 7y plus 20xy and 28y square. So this is the simplified factorized version of this one. So guys, now let's go on to the next method, the method of using identities. So here we have 4 identities. Let's see about them one by one. So the first one is a plus b whole square. This extended version is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is the extended one. Now let's see how we got this answer. So a plus b into a plus b. Then this equals to a into a plus b plus b into a plus b. Then we simplify it. Then we get a square plus ab plus b square plus ab. So we'll get this answer. So here these two are like terms. So we simplify them to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is how we got the answer. So guys, now let's learn about the second identity, which is a minus b whole square. So this one is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now let's see how we got this answer. So we'll do a minus b into a minus b. Then we would get a into a minus b minus b into a minus b. Then we would get a square minus ab minus ab. Minus into minus becomes plus, so plus b square. So then we would get a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is how we get this answer. So guys, now let's learn about the third identity, which is a square minus b square. So its answer is a plus b into a minus b. So this is the answer for this. Now let's see how. So when we multiply these two, we should get this answer. So a into a square, a into minus b minus ab, b into a plus ab, and b into minus b minus b square. So plus ab and minus ab get cancelled. So we would get the answer as a square minus b square. So this is how we got a square minus b square. So guys, let's go on to the final identity, which is x plus a into x plus b. So this answer is x square plus a plus b whole multiplied by x plus ab. So this is the answer for this. Now let's see how. So here x into a, x square, x into b, which equals to bx, then a into x, ax, and plus ab. Here these two terms have x in common, so we will take that as common and write it as x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So this is the answer. So guys, now let's do a few sums based on these identities. So guys, they give a question a square plus 8a plus 16. So we have to factorize it, which means we have to simplify it. Now let's see how. First, find out which identity it matches with. Now this expression matches with a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here we take this as a square and 2ab as this and b square as this. So here we write it as a square plus 2ab. So we divide it by 2, then we get 4 into a into 2. So here 4 must be b and a is a, and this is the 2 over here. So and 16 is the square of 4. So then we write 4 square, then a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b whole square. Then what is there over here? A is a and b is 4. Then this equals to a plus 4 whole square. So this is how you simplify this expression. So now let's do and then let's go on with the next question. So guys, the next question is p square minus 10p plus 25. Now this matches with a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this equals to a minus b whole square. Now let's solve this. So in the place of a we have p, so we'll take this as a, and this is minus 2ab and this is 5b. Now we will simplify it. P square minus 2 into p into 5. So 2 into 5 equals 10, 10 into p equals 10p, so we got the answer. Plus, but this 5 square is 25, so 5 square. Now this equals to, so in the a minus b whole square, so we'll replace p in the place of a and 5 in the place of b. So it becomes p minus 5 whole square. Now let's go on to the next question. So guys, now we'll go on to the next question. That question is 4p square minus 9d square. So this question is in the form of a square minus b square. So this equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we can, this is a and this is b. Now we can take 4 as 2 square. So 2 and p square as p. So we will write it as whole square minus 3d whole square. Now as we have written here, we will simplify it. So it becomes 2p plus 3d into 2p minus 3d. So this is the answer. Now we'll go on to the next question. So guys, now we'll do the next question, which is p square plus 6p plus 8. So this is in the form of x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So here we should take two numbers which sum is 6 and their product is 8. So those two numbers are 4 and 2. So in the x place we take it as p. So p square. Then in the place of a we take it as 4 plus 4 plus b we will take it as 2 and x 8 we take it as 2 into 4. Now this is exactly in the form of this one. Then this equals to x plus a into x plus b. Now the x is p over here, so p plus 4 into p plus 2. So this is the answer. Thank you friends, that's today's video. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, keep them in the comment section. I will definitely answer them. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video.
Like and subscribe.